Sweet! Little sing there. Right.
Let's go then.
Let's rock it.
Rocking.
He's a bit puffed out, so we've got to cover him. Oh, you're deaded.
Yeah.
What do you reckon then, Jugs?
Fucking quit it before I fucking join blank.
Hey, go on, Jug.
No, not that, please don't. Well, then I've got a hole in my leg already.
Shoot his mag. Don't shoot his mag, it's expensive. Shoot his teddy.
This is also rookies.
Is that a Viper? It is as well. Viper suck! No, I'm joking, Ian, I'm joking. Where? Oh, he's not here.
Oh, thank you.
Whew.
Who are you looking for?
Right, so it looks like we're up to there, look. So I don't know, we're going. Are you just going to stay in the open, Jug?
I can.
Yeah?
What I usually can do.
All right,
I
mate.
constrict a lot of people, you can
Yeah.
take them down.
All right, I'm going to go left wing then and push that. I'll stay at your side. Where? All right, just push left flank with him if we can. I left my frickin' gloves in the car. Frickin' hell. I can't see Feckle. Any eyes? Eleanor, any eyes? Nice. I'm going in the shrubbery.
Put him to here if you can. Watch out, there's two spikes on the tank. Put him back to there. Put him to this tank.
Come to me, come to me. Go on, Gushy medic. Got it. Nice. Two in the tank, you say? I'm going to cover Jug.
Yeah, I was going to say, do we want to?
Cover Jug! Oh, fuck. Hit! Medic! Down, bro, straight from the tree line, you're dead. Thank you, my man. I'm up, Jug. Two with you. All right, mate.
Oh, right in the soft spot! Oh, you
Sorry. I got no eyes.
Hit!
Do you need medic?
Yeah, I'll put it back on
Right, he got him, they got him. Just cover him. We got to touch him, haven't we?
Touch me, you're...
Get the Jug back.
Jug not on blow! Came from that corner.
Eyes, eyes. Got him, got him. Nice. Played. God, I'm fucked, mate. Well played. Kick their ass. Shit, hit. That's me deadhead. I'll see you in a bit, Mr. Burt. Oh, Jesus. Steve, take a picture. Cheers, man. Woo! Play, boys. Played! Hi, dude.
Yeah, I think there's one shooting from out the back of the
Okay.
inside.
He's got him.
There's one behind the Jeep.
Oh, yeah. He's got his hand up.
Friendly!
Target! PID your target!
Let's tap them. Go tap them twice, tap them.
Guys, PID your target! There's twice now! There's twice you shot your friendlies, guys! Watch your leg behind you, bro.
Medic!
Yeah, I'm just having a rest for a minute.
You got eyes?
Just get inside, mate, if you want. I don't know, I think want to deploy this somewhere else.
In the green container at the back. Yeah, that one he's going to, wouldn't he? Hit! Well played, mate! Medic! Medic! Nice one, brother. Click me on the arm. Thanks, man. He's literally behind two containers.
So just one at this stop. Yeah, yours three down.
Played. Sorry, bro. Clear. Clear. Friendly. We're clear here, lads. Nice. I think I shot a friendly though. Nice. I think, is that a friendly there? Is that our blue? See him lying down?
Oh yeah,
He's friendly, isn't he?
He's lying, looking that way.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah, we got blues all around us, I think, my man. Watch that bush in there, though. I can hear fire, but no call.
I know it is.
So, blue on Hessian down.
Yeah, blue on the left and on the right, Lamo.
Let's see if I can get to that side.
Go on, I'll cover if you want. Yeah, go! Shit, that's behind us. That's behind us, boys. Watch your six! Is he there, look? Get him. Is he red? Do you want a medicam? I'll cover you. Because I'm chickening out because I'm fucked. I've got your six!
Legend. Thank you, mate.
You're welcome,
One
man.
in the tank.
Yeah, I've got eyes on them.
Yeah.
Right,
I
you.
think we've got some stead 12 as well.
Okay. Yeah, I saw 3 of them over there. There's Juggabert. Got him, he's one down. He just... Any more eyes?
Can't see any, mate.
No, I've got one, but I think he's speaking to the marshal now.
One.
Yeah, I can't see the buggy. I think he's behind that tree what I'm looking at. Oh, yeah. And one's been hit. I can see 2 heads.
Tank now, right side.
Oh, yeah, got eyes on that. Yeah, he's popping in and he's just short. See if I can get a lucky shot on him. Hit! Good shot! Oh. No, I've only been hit. That's lunch for me anyway. Lunch for me. Juggabert! Juggabert, you're not allowed to look at anyone. You're not allowed to look at anyone. He's taking a picture of your butt. Oh, good man. Good man. Steve is a legend.
What's that?
Tell my wife that, Stuart.
I've got my own one, thanks. She thinks I'm far from it. Even though I met Skinny Bitch last weekend. I purposely took a picture of her like that. Hey?
You got a medic?
Yeah, no, I'm already dead.
Dead.
Yeah, dead. I'm gonna go get some lunch anyway, old boy. Nice meeting you, man.
One time dead, I'm fucking need some water.
Yeah. Oh, same hell. Hey, dude. Have a team patch. You're welcome, mate. That is rubbish.
3, 2, 1, game on!
Right, I'll see you in a bit, my man. Oh. It's my old man walk.
Not too far from it, are you?
Yeah. I'm not talking to you now. I know, darling. Right. Oh. Hello, mate. You alright? Good man. You just shot right in the thumb.
I got a sniper off, I was like that.
Are you joking? That must be the most unluckiest thing. Usually I forget my gloves to get shot in the knuckles, but I've touched with them alright. I need to rehydrate though.
Oh, have they still got my cup?
Perfect. Done. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Hello. Any onions, sir? One double, no onion. Cheese? Anything else? Lovely. £4. Thank you.
Oh, and load it in.
That's really good. Thank you.
Layer it up.
Actually, no, Hayes was listening. Only put a little bit on.
What are you up to?
Nothing.
No, thank you, darling.
Can I just have a single hot dog with onions, please, if you would?
Single with onion for Crazy Stuart.
Yep.
Single with.
So, Hayes, can I get a selfie? Go on.
Look like a shrine,
Yeah, I do. Look at me,
Stuart.
sweaty face. Excuse my shake hands. Let's see how to do. No, you look cool.
Got pictures like this.
Yeah.
My lines look
It's-
blurred.
yeah, you won't be recognised.
That's right. That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you, darling. Done.
Lovely, wicked. Oh my
Cheers,
god, I got
darling.
hot flesh. Thank you very much. Have fun. Hope it's not too busy for you.
Yeah.
Make sure Bambi pulls his weight.
Oi, oi, Josh Rooney.
Joss-a-rooney.
Times are hard, Pete. I've got Josh.
On the nuts in it.
Poor Josh.
I'm so quick, you can't keep up. You can't keep up with me. We're going to take two double hot dogs.
2 doubles. Make them snappy.
Lovely. All right, dude. Oh. 4 years. I'm going to do that. 2018. 2018. Is he in here? Is he gone? Yes. Yes. I was hoping he weren't here. Oh.
1879. Yeah. What's
Uh,
that about then?
How long's Rift been here? So what we're on,
This
2018?
place is named after Charles Dalton and learned to be seat at the Rock Street, which was 1879. Right.
It's faulty, mate. It didn't work for me. There's something wrong with it.
We're going to give you a clue.
Yeah.
It's not a date.
Oh,
Date.
shit.
Okay.
Blown all your theories out there.
Yeah. What if it's there?
Could be a number of people. This is only my first one. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to do 4295. That's my PIN number. I've got to change my PIN number now. Shit. I don't want to lose my card now, do I? No, obviously no one's won it then.
That's what I'll do. I'll look after it for you so you don't.
Yeah, alright. Well, someone's going to win like a copping ARP9 in there, isn't they? Got any ideas, Richard Palmer? What's your date of birth, eh? What's your date of birth? That's what it is. Why am I getting eviled?
Hang on, well you said happy birthday to me on Facebook.
Oh yeah,
It's my
fucking hell.
birthday.
When was that?
Oh yeah, it is.
Fuck,
man.
I need to
yeah,
look.
it comes
Shit.
up on my
Cooey.
Facebook thingy.
You what? You going?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
Oh, alright, take it easy, mate.
Yeah.
See you soon. Yeah, take care.
See you.
Say hello to your dad for us.
Will do.
Tell him I'm going to give him a holler and a slap if I don't see him. See you later, mate. Yeah, so your date of birth, 1548. I know I can run quicker than you.
If it was the right code, you fucking.
I can't.
The wind, as he was putting his hands in, the wind came down and fucking slapped the lid on both his hands.
You see my red marks there?
3 times. Yeah, that lid came blew down on his hands.
What are you thinking, Mr. Palmer? It's not a date, which is totally fucked you now.
Which I was totally fucked because every single date I thought of been ready.
How old are you, Ian? Just
50 something.
how old are you, chap? Steve? So you're 50 something, 54, 55, 53, 50, 49,
That list of injuries you're going to hospital with, mate, is fucking growing.
49. Shit, I'll shut up then. 28.
He's not, oh, you
Yeah,
stupid,
eh?
That's
That's too low.
Give it a 5.
I'm thinking birthdays put together. Can you forward it? How many items are in here? I'm overthinking it, aren't I? How many items are on display? Body language looked away, that could be right.
They come up with the code
We
when
were
they were pissed.
thinking.
Hmm?
We were
They come up
thinking.
with the code when they were pissed.
Oh fuck. Oh yeah, you did
We
say.
were thinking how many units of alcohol were consumed in this tent last night, but it's only got 4
I was
digits
going to
on
say,
it.
fuck, there's no chance.
Oh, if you see Steve Walker, ask him how his boxing career went.
Why are you going to get me in trouble?
Only slightly. We're going to
I know
get
you're
him
lying,
instead.
fucker. Hey, up, 67669.
That came round quick.
Right, just played it.
Is that what we look? Is that if I can't win if that's it? Because you did both. Oh my God! No.
That's when we
That's
did
my
it.
last
That's
go.
when we did the AR 500.
Fucking hell.
Giving this shit
Lads,
away.
get in. I'm taking a selfie. Get in, Rich. Get in. Yeah. No, you got to go. I've got to go in the end. Otherwise, I can't take a selfie. I'm a selfie wanker today.
Yours are.
Yay!
That's a wicked picture, boys. I like that. I like that. I'm putting it on XNXX.
Yay!
The old section.
TikTok. Oh, your OnlyFans page.
Yeah. Go on, lad.
Come on.
What's he got? 3, 4. So scream, yeah. Right, should we head back? I'm going back. I need to hydrate. I need to hydrate before I can eat that.
It was on the month.
Hydrate before I eat that. Hey, you see my hot dog? It's
You
actually.
fucking wish.
I know. I wasn't at the back or at the front of the queue, so I'm not. Watch the toilet seat, Richard. There's vandals out here, mate. Imagine if he come out blue. That'd be fucking brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
I know someone that happened to. They
I know.
tipped him up. He was covered in blue.
I know it's dangerous as well, isn't it? Yeah. Yo, you alright?
Brilliant. Right, okay, guys and girls. Is everyone enjoying the day?
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Excellent. Right, 2 out of 6 of the bombs.
Boo.
Blue team were turning them off again, so very well to Blues on that. Forward spawns. Red team captured 1 out of the 4. Blues had 3 out of 4. So
Yeah.
one thing that absolutely blew my mind, both teams located their down pilot and both teams got him safely back to your respawns. Massive bonus points to both teams for that. Red team, you captured 2 out of 3 of the cells. Blue team, 3 out of 3. So that means at the moment, this half of the day, it goes to blue team. So
Yes.
well done, well done, Reds. Love that. Thank you. So hopefully, what we're doing now is a quick reversal.
So I reckon down here, lads. Down through here. Yeah. Oi, oi, shotty. Yeah, so when I snuck through here, it's a bit of a walk, we've got to go over the thing. No, I know, mate. Nor me. Don't worry, Rick.